guys, it's Minix back with another video, and today I'm here with my grandma.
Hi everyone.
And today we are going to be making fruit pizza with sugar cookie crust. This is a really good recipe for the summer now that it's summer break and the fruit's starting to come in season again. It's just a sugar cookie. It's like a pizza. It's but a sugar cookie crust.
Homemade,
and then like a cream cheese sauce kind of, and then just topped with all kinds of fruit.
Yeah. Oh, and we do make a homemade strawberry glaze that goes on top of the cream cheese.
Before we start this video, please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel that you're watching us on right now. When you subscribe and click the bell, you'll be notified every time we upload a new video so you don't miss any of them. And also make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it.
So let's get started. Okay, we're gonna make a pizza crust with our sugar cookie recipe. So first I'm gonna spray this so it doesn't stick. And then we've got 3 cups of all-purpose flour. We're using Hudson cream today. 2 tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to mix that up, and then we're going to add, oh, I'm making a mess tonight. 4 tablespoons of milk and 1 cup of vegetable oil. That's all there is to it. And then you want to stir it up. Then we're going to press it in our pizza pan. So we just pour it out. And we'll press it in this pan. Here we go. Okay, time that for 12 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 12 minutes and we got our crust out of the oven, so here it is. And we're ready to move on to the glaze so it can cool down while we're cutting up the fruit. So we're going to start with 1 cup of sugar, 2 heaping tablespoons of cornstarch. Mix those together before you put the water in. And we're going to add 1 cup of water and 2 tablespoons of white corn syrup. We're going to turn that on medium and cook it until it thickens. We'll be back when it starts cooking. Okay, once it starts to boil, you want to stir it the whole time. So you just want to kind of cook it till it's clear and it thickens a little bit. Just takes, probably 2 minutes maybe once it starts cooking. So I'm going to take it off the burner and we're going to add 3 tablespoons of strawberry jello. Stir it and then we're going to leave it set so it cools down while we get our fruit ready and our cream cheese mixture. So I'll go ahead and get the cream cheese mixture next. We've got 2 8-ounce cream cheese in here, and you want it, at room temperature, and 2/3 cup of granulated sugar. So then we'll just beat that together till it's smooth, and set that aside. Okay, that layer's done. Okay, first we're going to rinse the grapes, and since These are so big, I think I'm going to cut them in half. The smaller ones, I don't usually cut. But we'll put them on a paper plate. And then, these look good. Yeah, I'm going to start out with probably about 20 cherries. It just depends how much, how many you want. I mean, if you want more, you can do more. So I'm just going to pit those and put the seeds on this one and the stems. Next, we will wash a container of. So we will take the stems off and then just cut them in half. The bananas and the kiwi slice in circles, and then the blueberries and blackberries you just leave whole. Okay, we're back with you and we're ready to put this together now. So we've got all of our fruit cut up, cream cheese mixture, our glaze. So we're going to start and put the cream cheese mixture on the cooled crust. Okay, so there's the cream cheese mixture. Now we're going to spread the glaze on. Okay, I like to start with the bananas. They seem to fit good around the edge. So then you just want to slice these around the edge. Okay, we got the bananas on there. All right. So we put the strawberries. Next, I'm going to do the grapes. Next, we'll do the kiwi. Got a big strawberry for the middle that I saved. So since we have so much fruit, we're going to double up on some of it. So I'm going to put the cherries on top of the bananas. And then I'm just going to kind of take the blackberries and fill in where there's some gaps. How's that? I think it looks good.
Okay guys, we're back. This is us a couple days after filming the original part because the first video we had of us saying bye was messed up, so we had to refilm this part. But we just wanted to say that the fruit pizza turned out great and we tried it and everyone really liked it. So we hope you like this recipe too, and make sure you check out the links below. And also like, comment, subscribe. Okay, we'll see you guys later. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bye.
Bye.